All right, you guys, so we are going to be writing equations of a line. All right, so here's the information they gave us in the problem. It says, what is the equation of a line that passes through the point -1, 4 and is parallel to x plus y equals 4? All right, so we need certain pieces of information because we always use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 to write the equation of a line. So we have x1, we have y1. Now we need to get the slope, and we have to make sure in this case we use a parallel slope, which will be the same slope. So I'm going to subtract x, so I get y equals negative x plus 4. All right, so that means the slope here is m equals -1. Okay, because I used the same slope because it said it was parallel. If the question had said it was perpendicular, I would have used the opposite reciprocal, which would have been +1. All right, so I'm going to plug this information in, and then I'm going to solve. So my y1 is 4. My m is -1. And my x1 is -1. So I'm going to bring down my y minus equals parentheses x minus. All right, I have a double negative, so that becomes a plus. So I have y minus 4 equals -1 times x plus 1. I'm just rewriting it so it's a little bit neater. All right, I'm going to distribute. So y minus 4 equals -x minus 1. And then I'm going to add 4 in the appropriate spot. So I get y equals -x plus 3. All right, I'm going to type that in. Okay, and I can tell that they're parallel because they have the same slope and they have different y-intercepts. So y equals -x plus 3. Submit my answer. I get my green check. Okay, all right, let's try a new one. Okay, so this one is the same type of question. They're all going to be similar, except this time it says perpendicular. All right, so I'm going to use the point for -3, okay? But I want to be perpendicular to 4x plus y equals 3. So I'm going to solve this for y. So I'm going to subtract 4x. So I get y equals -4x plus 3. That's a 3 there, sorry. Okay, so my slope, okay, is -4. So my perpendicular slope is now positive 1 over 4. So that's my slope that I'm going to use. This is my x1 and y1. So I'm going to write y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. All right, so I bring down, put in -3, m, I'm going to put in 1/4, and x1, I'm going to put in 4. So that gives me y minus equals parentheses x minus. Okay, I'm going to distribute. So I have y minus 3 equals 1/4 x. All right, now 1/4 times -4 over 1. Okay, if I just multiply across, I get -4. 4 times 1 is 4. That equals -1. So minus 1. I'm going to add 3. So I get 1/4 x plus 2. Okay. All right. And you can tell that they're perpendicular because the slope here is -4 and the new slope over here is positive, which is what it's supposed to be, and the reciprocal, which is 1/4. All right. So y equals 1 divided by 4x plus 2. Submit my answer. And apparently I messed that up. That's not good. Oh, I actually know what I did. All right, I don't need to re-record this video, guys. Okay, right here. I didn't bring down my minus sign. So that should have been a plus. That should have been a minus. That should have been a -4. Okay, so there you go. I fixed my mistake. All right, you will be okay. Good luck.